Today, the 19th of February 2021, FII bought for 119 crores and DII sold for minus 1,175 crores. In past 5 days, FII bought for 4,408 crores and DII sold for minus 6,284 crores. This month, February 2021, FII bought for 23,875 crores and DII sold for minus 16,638 crores. In past 5 months, FII bought for 1,60,934 crores and DII sold for minus 1,31,540 crores. Three years trend on how FII and DII invested in cash market. All datas are in crore rupees. This graph shows 3 years trend on how FII index options and FII future investments are. All datas are in crore rupees.